I got my swag on full tilt right now. So, okay. This right here is something new. Something you ain't never heard before. Something you'll never hear again from anybody else. I'm the only one that can do this shit. So in case you're trying to guess on what I'm talking about, let me introduce myself. I'm Chris Eggers.
I come through drop hits, hard as a motherfucker. They wanna be my fan, we hard as a motherfucker. This track that I'm singing on is hard as a motherfucker. And if you don't feel me, then you think as a motherfucker. I lay down for my niggas and put on for my foe. It's a recession, thank you Jesus for giving hope. Hood on my back, so I'm walking in, I'm gonna toe. I'm big in the eye, so just call me the hood pope. Cause I gotta do it by any means necessary. And I gotta do it, the thought of felon is very scary. Sometimes it get cold like it's the middle of February, but I keep on pushing because my people I gotta care. At the same time, haters trying to put me down. I love the way they motivate, so I keep them around. But real niggas love me cause they never heard us out. And them niggas bitches love me cause they know I put it down. And they never seen a swag so damn terrific. I'm standing on the world, so I'm on top of my shit. And I will never stop cause my soul will never quit. And I'm allergic to the fake, so only speak if you legit. You ain't never seen a nigga with a swag so tough. You ain't never super clean, so you got me fucked up. You ain't never on my shit, you ain't never on my body. You ain't never, and everybody, you ain't never on the mind. You ain't never seen a nigga with a swag so tough. You ain't never super clean, so you got me fucked up. You ain't never on my shit, you ain't never on my thing. You ain't never, and everybody, you ain't never on the mind.
I do this shit, my nigga, like on some real shit. I do
Then
this.
I come back harder than hard as I ever did. Had big dreams ever since I was a little kid. I knew I would do it, and I would be the greatest. And I knew I could use it, so now you hear the latest of my songs. Niggas can't stop me now. Been through too much shit, so I never back down. I never back down, know that I'ma be around. And I will never back down, cause I want money by the pound. And put it on your forehead, just like I owe you something. But please don't get it twisted, homie, I don't owe you nothing. It's no little hairy big web, I know you got me. Watch over your boy, cause you know them haters plotting. My life is a miracle, shit is hysterical. Sometimes it get fucking cold, but I will stand on 10 toes. And this is my introduction